everybody, welcome back to the channel once again. Glad everybody could join us, and we are on another adventure. I don't know about so much of an adventure, but we are going to head out here, try to knock out two birds with one stone, and then get back here before my lunch hour's up. We are going to go do another cacher, a solid. We're going to go down here. If you watch the last video I did, and you can catch the link, I think it's right here, you will know that the last cache I went to, all I found was a cat and a mushed up log. So I wasn't able to sign anything, but I did find it. It's really not that far away from my work. So today, after some messages and getting back and forth, and I thought I knew who the cacher was that placed this. Wasn't real positive though. I told him I will get down this way and get it replaced for him, so that's what I'm going to do today. And it is a bit nippy out. I wish I'd wore some gloves. So anyway, I'm heading down there now, and we will see you at the first one. Well, I thought we would be muzzle free, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Of course, never does. I figured there wouldn't be anybody else down here along the river, except for the geese. But I'll just let these guys pass. I know exactly where this needs to be replaced, and I'll just act like I'm videoing the river and not myself. Hopefully it'll be okay. We're out of here. Well, there is a whole lot more people out here than I thought there would be, being that it's on a cold, blustery day. I'm hoping that the wind noise isn't too bad on this, but I'm going to show you where we're going to go. We're heading over there where those lights are sticking up. That is the red stadium, and that's where we're going to get our next cache. Well, this is actually a virtual, and this was placed back, I believe, in 2017 when Geocaching.com allowed a certain amount of cachers to place a certain amount of virtuals, because they don't allow virtuals anymore. This is one that close by, I can get real quick, and I'm gonna hand the geese. Boy, there's all kinds of geese out here. I don't know why they haven't flown south for the winter. I wish I could. And then we're gonna go over here towards the bridge. This is the Roebling Suspension Bridge, also called the Singing Bridge. That's why they call it the Singing Bridge. You can hear.
was going to the Johnny Bench statue and finding the first name of 3 people with the same last name. Then after that, you go to the Pete Rose statue and then take a picture of yourself with his statue in any fashion that you want.
All right, well, got that virtual. I hope you enjoyed it. If you ever get a chance, get down here, give it a try. It's not really that hard. It's just a nice little walk through the town. Or if you come to a ball game, I'm not a big baseball fan anymore, but I thought this would be a fun adventure. Get down here, get that done. I'm going to try one more here. We're at 39 feet. All right, got it. Took me a little bit of time, but I was able to find it. I looked at the thing and it did say it needed a new log, so we'll see what's going on here. I'll do the best I can to sign it and I got to get a new log. All right, got it. We are on our way out of here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, subscribe. We have fun getting out here doing this. We love doing these videos. Hate editing, but love doing the videos. So until next time, take care.